Welcome to my channel. I'm excited to share my passion for technology with you and provide you with helpful tips, tutorials, and reviews on the latest gadgets and software. My channel is for you. Join me on this journey as we dive into the latest tech trends and learn how to make the most out of our devices. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. Thanks for watching. Today we will show you how to solve 100% usage of CPU without further ado. Let's get into the video. 1. Close any unnecessary programs and background processes. One of the most common causes of high CPU usage is having too many programs and processes running at the same time. To fix this, close any programs that you're not currently using and stop any background processes that are consuming too much CPU power. 2. Update your drivers and operating system. Outdated drivers and operating systems can also cause high CPU usage. To fix this, make sure that your drivers and operating system are up to date. You can do this by going to the manufacturer's website and downloading the latest drivers or using the built-in Windows Update feature. Three, scan your computer for malware and viruses using an antivirus program which is provided by Microsoft. Malware and viruses can also cause high CPU usage. To fix this, run a full scan of your computer using a reputable antivirus program. If any malware or viruses are detected. 4. Disable any third-party software or services that may be causing high CPU usage. Some third-party software or services can also cause high CPU usage. To fix this, identify the programs or services that are causing the issue and disable them. You can do this by opening the Task Manager, identifying the program or service that is consuming too much CPU power, and then right-clicking on it and selecting End Task or Disable. 5. Adjust your power settings to high performance. Windows 10 has built-in power settings that can affect CPU usage. To fix this, go to the Power and Sleep settings and select the High Performance Power Plan. This will prioritize performance over power saving, which can help reduce CPU usage. 6. Check for any faulty hardware components that may be causing the issue. Faulty hardware components, such as a failing hard drive or a malfunctioning CPU, can also cause high CPU usage. To fix this, run hardware diagnostics to identify any issues, and then replace or repair any faulty components. Note that the solution to fixing high CPU usage can vary depending on the specific cause of the issue. If you're unsure of what's causing the problem, it may be best to seek professional help.